In this video, you'll see how easy it is to set up your campaign to allow subscribers to enter it multiple times. First, we'll start by creating a brand new campaign with a tag applied trigger. We're going to make that tag reentry. So anyone tagged with reentry will get started on this campaign. Once we've completed the campaign, we'll apply a tag at the very end to remove the reentry tag. That way you can always go back, enter reentry again, and start your subscribers off the campaign from scratch. Remember, you can add tags from the subscribers page either manually for each subscriber, or you can select multiple subscribers and use our bulk tagging feature.